Today, we are going to be making some bourbon glazed chicken wings in my trusty old air fryer. So go ahead and grab a bottle of your favorite bourbon, pour up, and get ready to buzz down on some delicious chicken wings. So we have ourselves about 1.5 to 2 pounds of some chicken wings already clean, ready to go. I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of oil into this bowl right here. And then we have our seasoning blend. Everything will be listed in the description box as well as on the screen. So go ahead and be very generous and make sure your chicken wings are well coated up and give it a mix. And if you are a OG to the channel, you know the motto. It has never changed. I might not have said it in a long time, but the motto remains the same. Ain't no bland chicken over her, okay? Well coated up, well seasoned up over here. If you are not sneezing, you are not oh, whoa. You see that bourbon is already getting to me. If you are not sneezing, you are not seasoning. Okay, there we go. I finally got it out. Man, I took a couple shots of that bourbon, baby. It's already talking to me. But yes, look at this right here. Our chicken is well seasoned up, ready to hit that air fryer. Time to load our air fryer up. We are gonna be letting these go at about 380 degrees for about 18 to 20 minutes or until they're golden brown. And you do wanna flip them kind of halfway through the cooking process so both sides of your chicken look equally as beautiful. Try not to overcrowd your air fryer too much. Mine's is borderline crowded, okay? Please excuse me, okay? A little overcrowded, but that's okay, not the end of the world. I'm gonna go ahead and close this up. Set my timer, and I'll see you guys when this is almost done. All right, it is time to get that bourbon glazed sauce going while our chicken wings are doing their thing. I have my pan here to about a medium heat. We are gonna drop in about a tablespoon of some unsalted butter right into the pan, as well as a little bit of some garlic paste. We're gonna toss in some hoisin sauce, and all the measurements and everything will be on the screen and in the description box as always, so never stress. Some soy sauce. This is some low sodium. Ooh, what was that? Low sodium soy sauce, okay? I'm never drinking on camera again because I cannot even get the words out. We're gonna go in with some brown sugar, a little bit of ground ginger, holy moly. And you wanna give that a mix, and we cannot forget the bourbon that is coming. All right, we're gonna go in with that bourbon. Be careful with an open flame. We do not want any accidents. Go ahead and drop that bourbon in, give it a stir. This is looking so good. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Give it a taste. So you wanna let this simmer just for a couple minutes. You want it to thicken up. You do not want a watery sauce. Let it do its thing just for a couple minutes. It's gonna also burn off a lot of that alcohol as well. So our sauce here is pretty much ready to go. Like I said, you wanna be very careful with the salt. Make sure you're using a low sodium soy sauce. And we're not using too much salt within our seasoning blend for our chicken itself because these tend to be on a little saltier side, you know what I mean? So this is pretty much done. We're ready to toss our chicken. It is ready to take out of that air fryer. Our chicken is looking good. Come on now, I am the air fryer king. Stop playing with me. You cannot tell me that does not look delicious. Go ahead and toss your chicken into a mixing bowl. Every single one of them are looking beautiful. And yes, I did flip it halfway through the cooking process. Like I said, make sure you flip your chicken. And get them loaded into your little bowl so we can toss it in that delicious sauce. Take a look at that, guys. Come on now, stop playing with me. They are ready to be sauced up. So I have our chicken wings here. Go ahead and pour that delicious sauce right on top. And go ahead and give it a toss. And look at that, guys. I am too excited for this one. Looking good, smelling good as always. And you know I gotta go for the flat because that's where it's at, you feel me? I garnished with some green onion, by the way, because I know you guys are gonna ask me about it. But without further ado, let's bust down. So good. Yeah, Yup, this is bussin', guys. Bussin'. Holy moly. Sheesh. So good. That is freaking amazing, guys. Ain't no words that can describe how good this is right here. And as you guys seen, it took no time, no effort at all. Simply bussin', okay? If you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave me a like, comment down below. Let me know what you think about today's video, as well as subscribe if you're new. And I'll be sure to see you all on the next one. I gotta finish up these wings, baby. Deuces.